I'm Ashley Kohler, Director of Education at the AIM Oakland campus. I deal with student issues, oversee the program, oversee the instructors. The very first class that I ever taught those students, it was just like we were a team working together through that class because it was my first time ever teaching. It was interesting to me with that first class to see students actually, the light bulb go on and actually understand something that I was explaining, or a way for me to show them my knowledge and the different experiences that I've had. Don't be afraid to check into a technical school. When I graduated high school, I was the odd person because I was going to a technical school. But those careers and jobs do pay. It's saving you time and also money, resources. You know, you can get your career started quicker, and there are actually a lot of jobs in the field right now. One thing that's really cool about teaching and having the instructors that we do is that they have the industry experience. So they're not only getting the education that they need to pass the tests, they're also getting that extra portion of real life experience, and the instructors are able to help them prepare for different things that they're going to see in the field, different things to avoid. So that helps to prepare a student, because it's not just about taking a test, it's about preparing for things that you're not tested on. I'm Ashley Kohler, Director of Education at the Aviation Institute of Maintenance Oakland campus, and we train tomorrow's technicians.